Hello, I'm Papia. In this problem, we have to complete this table. Now notice that we are given this function 6x minus 5 to the power 4. And this function is written as a composition of two functions f and g. We have to recognize what are those two functions whose composition is this one. So this is how you should look at it. Notice when you have a composition, gx, that's the inner function, and f is the outer function. So given this final form, you have to identify which one is the outer and which one is the inner function. Okay? So notice this expression. This is something to the power 4, right? Something raised to the power 4. So obviously that raised to the power 4 is the outer, and whatever expression is raised to the power, that's the inner function right here. So then this portion is y equals f of u. Okay, so here f is the outer function that we have to recognize, and this is g, so this is the inner function. All right, so I always recognize the outer function first. So what is the outer function? Something raised to the power 4. What is raised to the power 4? Well, look how we have to write this. We have to write it as y is equal to function of u. So u is the independent variable here. So something raised to the power 4. What is that something? U raised to the power 4. So that's the outer function. Now for the inner function, we have to write it as u equals a function of x. So here x is the independent variable. And what is the inner function? Well, the expression that you plug in to raise it to the power 4. And therefore, inner function is 6x minus 5. So let's check. This is g of x and this is f of u. So you take f, u to the 4, and plug in u equals 6x minus 5. Do you see that? You plug in 6x minus 5 for u, you get 6x minus 5 raised to the power 4. That's exactly the original function. So it's a composition of these two. Thank you.